Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today we will make a chocolate-filled toast for our group practice test. Are you curious how to make it? Let's just get started. First of all, prepare bread, butter, and measures. Then spread the butter on the bread. Melt the butter in a frying pan. And while waiting, spread the jam on the bread. Once the butter has melted, put the bread in the frying pan to start baking. After the bread is cooked, put the bread on a plate. And by the way, our bread is a little black. And after you put the bread on a plate, you can eat the bread because it's done. That's all from our group. Thank you.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.